What is going on, everyone? So this is completely different from my usual setup. As you can tell, I'm at my parents' house. It's Thanksgiving, so I was like, you know what, I was probably not even gonna make a video, but I figured I might as well. So I'm using my iPhone to record. I don't have my usual setup. My hands look a lot smaller, and I think my hands look darker too, which is kind of weird. But I went Black Friday shopping, and I actually picked up an iPhone SE 32GB version for $79, which is pretty crazy. I actually bought two of these. I'm giving both of them away, so I'm literally just going to do an unboxing of this one. I'm going to give this one away. I'm going to give away the other one too. I'm making that video in like a couple of days, so stay tuned. But yeah, if this quality isn't that good, I apologize ahead of time. But if some of you guys comment, you're like, oh, the quality on this video is so much better, this and that, I'm literally going to be so mad. But I'm not going to use this or anything like that, so don't get it twisted. I'm giving it away. It's going to be pretty much a new condition. I honestly think that this is probably going to be worth more the fact that I'm making a video and unboxing it. So with that being said, let's get into it. Now, it does come with the activation thing, but I have read that if you don't activate it on this SIM card and you actually go and just put in your random SIM card like AT&T or T-Mobile SIM, then it should still work and you'll actually be able to use it. And I finally got it after a year. So they actually adhesive this thing pretty crazy onto it, but after you take that off, it's literally just a regular SE if you think about it, just a regular box. Now I don't have an unboxing knife, but I have an unboxing sword, so we're just gonna use this real quick. They don't have that pull tab thing. I almost stabbed myself, you guys saw that. Alright, plastic is now removed. And now let's go ahead and open this thing up real quick, real nice like. As you can see, we have the iPhone SE right there, straight out of the box. I like it. Oh, dude, this rose gold is so much better. Oh, and it does have the peeling sticker on it. I'm not going to completely take off the sticker part because I still want people to have that feeling of, you know, turning it on and like removing the sticker part or whatever. But it doesn't seem like it has any power on it, which kind of sucks. As you can see, it doesn't have any power, but I mean, looking around, it's still pretty decent. Like I said, this is one of my favorite iPhones ever. I think it's one of the most important iPhones too, so I'm super glad that they were doing a sale and I can still give away some of you guys. I was honestly trying to get 4 of them to give away, but I wasn't able to do that. But yeah, this is brand new. Everything still works. Let's go look at what else is in the box. So we have paper, manual, whatever. We have the headphones, and we have the power block, and we have the charger as well. So you have a lot of things that come into this one package, which is pretty interesting. And for $79, I mean, you honestly cannot beat that. Now, like I said, some people did say that if you're on like AT&T or T-Mobile, instead of putting in the simple mobile SIM, which is right there, all you have to do is like put in your AT&T SIM card or T-Mobile SIM card in there, and it should still work. So that's pretty interesting if that's the case. I know that was the case with some older Android phones like the Moto E2. I got a couple of those from Best Buy as well, and that for some reason, I think it was straight through Verizon, but if you put in your T-Mobile or AT&T SIM card or whatever, you were able to actually use it. So as long as it doesn't activate it on that SIM, you should be good, but I don't know. Don't shoot the messenger, but that's pretty interesting, man. $79 for an iPhone SE. This thing is still very, very powerful, and this is why I think Apple's probably going to make an iPhone SE 2, is because they're trying to get rid of their older inventory to make use of the newer ones, and now they're actually remaking the iPhone 10s too, which is insane. So this just kind of goes into my theory of like Apple possibly making an iPhone SE 2, but that's pretty much it, man. You should check your local stores, maybe you guys will have it, but that is a super awesome deal. $79 for an iPhone SE 2, brand new, straight from Best Buy. I walked in there, bought 2 of them, and went out. So very awesome deal, and I would recommend checking with your local Best Buys and stuff to see if you guys have any left in stock. But that is pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave it down in the comment section below. I will probably be back to my usual setup in like 2 days or something, so keep a lock down on the channel. Don't think I forgot about you guys. Also check out the links in the description as well. My Instagram, my Twitter, my second channel, all that stuff is down there. Like I said, don't forget, I'm doing a giveaway very, very soon. Giveaway instructions are coming in like 2 days, probably even less, so just stay tuned. I promise I'll get you guys a giveaway. I'm giving away 2 iPhones in December, so I was going to give away 4, but I think I'm going to give away 2 the next month, or the month after I might give away 2 more, something like that, but we'll just see how it goes. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.